Before we continue, you can notice that we have a .gitignore file over here. I did this off screen. I created a Git repository and committed the code we wrote previously. And this is so as to allow you guys to have copies of the code that we write in each episode. So a quick recap. So far we have hello world being displayed on our browser. I'll go back to the index.js file and change it to hello API, for example, and I'm going to save that. So when I go back to the browser and I refresh this page, no change whatsoever. We therefore need to stop our server by hitting Ctrl+C and starting it again, npm run dev. Okay, sorry, needs to be lowercase, npm run dev. Now if I go back to the browser and refresh this page, we can see that hello API is now displayed. The overall development experience could be improved in a number of ways. First thing that really sucks is the fact that we have to jump back to our terminal and terminate the process and then run the npm run dev script again anytime we make a change. We can install Nodemon, which is a tool that automatically restarts our application when file changes are detected. So let's jump back to our terminal. I'm going to stop this process. I'm going to clear to give us more room to work with. I'll go ahead and install Nodemon by typing the command npm install Nodemon --save-dev. Now the --save-dev flag essentially installs Nodemon as a dev dependency. So a quick glance at our package.json file, we can see that we have Nodemon installed as a dev dependency. So dev dependencies are modules which are only required during development, whereas dependencies are those required during runtime. We can finally update our dev script by updating node to Nodemon. I'll save this file, head back to our terminal and type npm run dev. You may or may not get the error that your app is running on port 5000. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the process again with Ctrl+C. I'm going to type in exit and close the terminal completely. Then I'm going to go ahead and open the terminal again with Ctrl tilde, and then I'll type in the dev command, which is npm run dev. I'll hit enter, and now we can see that we have Nodemon watching our files and that our app is running on port 5000. So now anytime we make a change, for example, hello change, if I can type and save that, Nodemon automatically watches for any changes on our files and restarts the server. So when we go to our browser and refresh this page, we can see that the changes are reflected.